The main end beam flange is correctly docked according to the markings. Install the locating pin. Mounting bolts. Bolt anti-loosening mark. Install the LT buffer. LT limit switch components. Installation of LT limit switch. Installation of cable frame base. Cable frame installation. Layout of slide bracket. Slide bracket and curved cardboard. Installation of slide bracket. Installation of electrical box bracket. Electrical box installation. Slide suspension clamp. Slide installation. Slide connecting parts. Installation of slide docking. Sealing of slide bracket. Slide position adjustment. Cable pulley components. Cable pulley and cable installation. Traction pulley components. Traction pulley and cable installation. Cable pulley and runway installation. Fixed tail car installation. Cable pulley and runway installation. Installation of traction steel wire rope. Line card installation. Electric hoist adjustment. Electric hoist installation. Installation of LT conductive frame. Connection between cable and LT electrical box. Installation of hoist conductive frame. Connection between cable and hoist electrical box. Power on the test run.